Piano.
Good guess. That's a good guess, because that's what it is. What's it supposed to be?
Piano.
Whoa! Okay, here we go. Ready? And you know who controls it is Ann and the bass clarinets back there. Okay, Ann is the boss. You have to stay with her. She's not a bossy girl, she's the boss. Okay? So you have to stay with her. And so saxophones, you should write, if you were a good band member and a good high school band member, you'd write soft. Listen to Ann. Okay? So, and tone. Just keep the tone really clear. And then over at 77. 77. Can we start right there, please? Everybody at 77. Keeping in mind the same principle. And which is more important, 1 or 4?
4.
1. You said 4? What is more important? 1 or 2? 1. 1 or 3? 1. Okay, so I said 1. 1 or 1. Here we go. 77. 2. Ready? You have to listen to this. Can I have your volumes in tune with the 77? 1, 2, ready, and go. They never get to move that fast. You have to listen. Okay? Because they're laying down the tempo and they never get to do that. So listen and put your ears back there. Always kind of move your radar around to figure out who's moving, who's moving, who's moving. I'm moving with them. Okay? 77, everybody? So listen for that. 1, 2, 7, 2, ready, and the people who have take a little bit too long on that. So you again have to stay with all the people who are chopping trees back there, okay? Can we start at, now, because we can't run out of time, 149. 149, same principle applies. Whoever's playing